Hi, I'm SGClima, the one-of-a-kind energy management and optimization system for your climate control system. I can reduce your system's energy consumption by 15% to 60% by controlling its parameters, while still maintaining an exact comfort level for your users. I plan preventive maintenance, alert you when it's time to change filters, and when I detect a refrigerant leak. Just connect me to the power supply and I will manage your climate control system electronically, all by myself. Would you like to know how? My software records and analyzes your system's energy performance. My server interprets the data and compares it with the patterns of systems we already operate in our database of thousands of real records. I calculate potential savings and, with intelligent algorithms and online management, I set the parameters to achieve those savings. I measure your energy consumption and always show you with full transparency the savings I've made. My process remains active, and every 5 minutes I analyze the recorded parameters and search for custom algorithms that I will automatically enable according to the system's real performance. Did you know that aspects like location, parameters, or pressure drops can increase energy consumption up to 55%? Surprising, isn't it? So now you know. Go with the one-of-a-kind energy management for your climate control systems. Go with SGClima.